4 hours, and now they have their big German sprinter with another compatriot Ackermann just behind. There's Arnaud Démare, who's not ridden a Grand Tour for 2 years. He's trying to get involved in the sprints again. On the left-hand side, you can see that moving up now is an opportunity, and it is Michael Matthews on the right, but on his wheel is Wout van Aert. It's stop-start stuff coming into the final 400 metres. Arnaud Démare in the red jersey is there. Brom Velten's trying to get up and involved as well. Cavendish continues to follow, but it's not opened up for him just yet. He's on the wheel now, as on the left-hand side, it's going to be Démare who goes. He closes the door on Wout van Aert. It's Démare on the left who hits the front. Cavendish following Grmay through the centre. Grmay now hits the centre, and can he hit the front? It's Démare though who keeps it. Arnaud Démare, but no, Biniam Grmay raises his hands, and it's a hat-trick for Biniam Grmay. Sensational stuff, with tremendous timing once more. 3 up for Bini, and in control of the green jersey. A stop-start sprint. It was a strange all watch that, but Biniam Grmay has done it again. And Sean Kelly, nobody can live with this man at this tour.
What a sprint there by Grmay, you know, just waiting to the right moment to kick off his sprint, but also having the power. We could see Démare looked like he was, you know, going to take it here, but Grmay just coming at the right moment and getting past. And was it Van Aert was in the shake there as well in the middle? As we can see, this is the man.
Now we know why.
Yes,
we did not see that shot, did we? We're seeing him from the other side. The demeanour did look funny. It looked almost resigned, didn't it, straight after that crash? And for Primož Roglic, still with a kilometre to go, he's over a minute down. Well, crashes, crashes, crashes for Roglic. Delight 3 times for Intermarché. And it was Roglic who hit the deck. It is Roglic who's going to suffer a big time loss. And Sean Kelly, it looks as though, barring a tremendous, almost miraculous comeback, that's that in terms of Primož Roglic being able to win this Tour de France.
Well, this is going to make it pretty much impossible for him, because we know he isn't, you know, the strongest won the race. He's struggling to stay with the better men who are fighting to win this or to get on the podium. And this time loss is going to be, you know, a big hit for him. And we also have to weigh the injuries as well. As you said, Rob, you know, it looked like they were not pushing on. Maybe